No matter what strategy you use in trading, there's always risks, and it's important to understand those risks, especially before putting real capital into the market. So in this video, we're going to walk through the biggest risks we see with our DCA trading strategy. This is how we trade, but we also understand where things can go wrong. And we build our strategy around managing those risks. The first risk is project failure. This is when a coin's underlying project fails, collapses, or gets rugged. If we have an active story on that coin, we could lose part or even all of that position. This is why coin selection matters and why we don't overexpose ourselves in just one single coin. The second risk is delisting. If a coin gets removed from an exchange while we have an open story, we're left with a couple options. One, we're going to sell, possibly at a loss, or we're going to transfer to another exchange. But the good thing is, exchanges usually provide advance notice before they do this. The third risk is over leveraging. This happens when we commit too much of our capital and the price continues to move against us. Now we're in a position where we must decide to either sell at a loss, wait, add DCAs, or use the extinguisher. This is why we focus so much on capital allocation and always keeping our reserved funds available. And finally, there's always overall market risk. If the crypto market as a whole were to collapse, which we see very unlikely, but always possible, that would just impact everything. To recap, the biggest risks we watch for are project failure, delisting, over leveraging, and market risk. And everything we've shown in this series is built around managing these risks. This strategy isn't about avoiding risks, it's about understanding it and then working within it. If you've made it this far, you now understand how we approach trading with structure and how we manage position over time. If you want to see how this works in real time or how others are even using the strategy, feel free to join our Telegram community or simply get started with EZTrade Pro and start applying this strategy today.